Hello friends, in this video we will learn how you can take a backup of your entire YouTube channel or entire YouTube data or all YouTube videos using Google's Takeout service. So friends, I have given the link of Google Takeout in the description of this video. So make sure that you check the description of this video to directly access this page that is currently visible on your screen. So when you first land on this page, by default all Google products will be selected. So first of all you need to click on deselect all, then scroll to the bottom of the page, and here you will see YouTube and YouTube Music written. Select this row or select this category and then click on all YouTube data included. Now if you'd like to backup everything, then you need to select all the options given in this page or in this window. But in case if you want to backup only your YouTube videos that you have uploaded, then you need to select this videos and then click on OK button. Now you need to click on next step, and Google will now ask what will be the delivery method of your backup file. So it can be either your email, or you can save all your backup files to Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive or Box. Here friends, I would like to tell you a very important thing. Suppose the backup file size of your YouTube videos or YouTube channel is suppose 20 GB. So make sure that 20 GB of free space is available in your cloud storage account also, otherwise the backup will fail. So in this video I am selecting send download link via email. Now Google will ask the frequency of your backup. So either you can create a backup once, or you can create a backup every 2 months for the next 1 year. So a total of 6 backup files or 6 exports will be created. So in this video I am selecting export once. Now you have to select your preferred file type and size. So for file type there are two options given, .zip or .tgz. In this video I am selecting .zip because .zip files can be opened with software like WinZip or WinRAR, or even Windows or Mac's default extractor can also extract .zip files. Now for file size, select whatever the file size you would like to generate for your backup files. So suppose if your channel's backup size is 20 GB, then you can select 1 GB, then Google will generate 20 files of 1 GB each. In case you select 2 GB, then 10 files of 2 GB each will be generated. In case you select 4 GB, then 5 files or 5 part files will be generated. In case you select 10 GB, then 2 files will be generated. So here I will select 10 GB. Now when you click on create export button, Google will start creating a backup of your entire YouTube channel or all your YouTube videos. So depending on the size of data stored in your YouTube channel, this may take some hours or some days. So please be patient. Once your backup has been successfully created, you will get a notification from Google, and when you land on this page that is takeout.google.com, you will see your latest export written. Now if you click on show exports, you will see a list of all the backup files or part files that Google has generated for you to download. So here in my case, Google has generated 10 files of 10 GB each and one file of 4.25 GB, as you can see on the screen. There is one download button in front of every backup file or part file. So when you click on this download button, the download will start in your browser. And in case friends, if you have selected some cloud storage service like Google Drive or Box or Dropbox, then you need to log into your cloud storage service provider, your account there, and check for these backup files. So friends, I hope you must have gotten the idea how you can backup your entire YouTube channel using Google's Takeout service. So friend, please like this video, share this video, and thanks for watching.